Why do I feel like I'm ill-equipped for this?
I didn't bring my galoshes. This is fun.
Now the trick to going down a nature trail in the rain is to make sure that it's not raining.
Some rocks. Not quite big enough to do some rock hopping, but yeah, rocks. I hope the iPhone is waterproof. I don't have a life-proof case or anything. If this thing cuts out, blame Steve Jobs. Oh my goodness. Total mud. Oh. What are you doing? Are you trying to figure out how to walk through this mud puddle? Just gonna have to go for it. It's not really that bad. It's pretty solid. Oh, you're just gonna go. Oh my God. Yeah, that's way worse than I thought. I could, and I have done this many times before, end up on my bottom trying to walk through this kind of stuff. Yeah, it's like being on an episode of Alaskan Bush People. Oh boy. That doesn't mean King Kong is anywhere nearby. Looks like an elephant tree or something. Wow. Hey, look, a rickety bridge. Whoa. Oh, what was that noise? Probably over there somewhere. Could be a bear out there for all I know. Stalking me. Beavers? Okay, I'll get out of the rain already. I'll get out of the rain. I'm working on it. Here's some rocks. And here's some more rocks. But hey, there's a bridge. And there's some crazy person wanted me to come on this walking tour in the rain. How you enjoying it so far?
It's great. A little wet.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Oh no, I don't want to dry off. I just want to get out of here. What? Now we gotta go. Are you nuts? That's a little steep. Oh, and muddy. And look, there's a big old rat hole right there. And here's some fallen trees in their native habitats. Of course, these look like they've been chopped or cut. So I guess they're not really supposed to be here. They're probably just for decoration. But look at this one. This is a big one. Looks like beavers have been here. I'm totally drenched. Look at this. That's how I wanted to spend my Thursday afternoon. And here's why we're all out here. For a waterfall.
It is so worth
It's so worth it. Okay, well, let's get a picture. Let's get a picture. Take it all in, folks. I'm totally drenched for this shot. Sugarlands Visitor Center. That way. Watch out for that first step. It's a Lulu. Oh, geez. I'm getting called now. Okay, here we go. Back out into the melee.
What, do you want to get splashed?
I don't want to get nothing. I just want to go over there. Like that. And like that. And I got to do it again. And I'm going to do something crazy. I'm probably going to injure myself. I don't know. Should I do this? Should I try this? I don't know. The rocks are kind of slippery here. I could probably make it. It's not that deep here, boy. Whoa. I just have to get across over here somehow. I could have taken that tree. I don't know if I can do it or not.
You can do it!
Oh.
Come on!
I'd be better going over the tree. I mean, that's just too big of a gap, I think, for me to get across.
That's not stable.
If I can get up here. Oh, jeez. There we go. Just inch my way across. Like this.
You almost there.
I just can't get up.
Come on, you got it.
Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh, gosh. Why did I do that? I think that's going to do it for this walking trip. Hope you all enjoyed watching me almost injure myself and get totally drenched. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button, buy a t-shirt, tell all your friends, watch this video 15 times. I do appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the future. Oh, and one last thing. If your wife ever says, let's go on a hike in the rain, say no.